What is up, my YouTube family? I am back with another unboxing and product review video. If you are new here, I am Ramy B. Today what I'm going to be doing is going over the SofaBaton Amazon Fire universal remote attachment right here, created by SofaBaton. If you are familiar with my channel, you know that I made a video similarly back in the summer regarding a product called the Side Click Universal Attachment. Well, the people at SofaBaton, specifically the wonderful Keo, she reached out to me after seeing that and wanted me to make a product review for their product as well. So they sent me one of these attachments and actually sent me two more that I will talk about later for a giveaway to the people that are watching this video. So before we get started, if you are new here, make sure you click the subscribe button down below and stay tuned through the actual unboxing and review, and I will give you instructions on how to win the giveaway, and it'll be shipped directly from me to you. Once again, I have two products given to me by SofaBaton, and this is for the fans, for the people watching who have Amazon Fires and would like to consolidate the remotes into one specific unit. As you can see with mine, here it is. It's a nice little sleek design, one piece like a standard sized remote that you can use and control any device outside of the Amazon Fire and make it all into one specific piece. So stay tuned for that, and I will get into the unboxing right now. So as you can see here, I have my SofaBaton Amazon Fire TV universal remote attachment. I have my Amazon Fire TV remote right here, my Samsung soundbar remote, and my Samsung TV remote. So let me show you how to set up the remote attachment to the Amazon Fire and connect it to these other devices. So as you open the box, what you find is a slide out tray like this right here, which has, the box has nothing else in it. You have the manual right here with the quick instruction on how to set up the remote itself, a little pamphlet to contact them if you want to leave them a review, and then the actual manual that shows you how to use it, as well as different things on how to work it and troubleshoot it right here. All we're going to be using for this is just the instructions right here, as it is pretty similar to the side click remote attachment that I've used in the past. What comes in the tray is the actual remote attachment right here. So when you slide it out, what you see is a little sheet right here of what the remote should look like, and the batteries are inside. This is literally the device right here. It's just got a little attachment up top and then an empty tray right here where your Amazon Fire will actually slide right in, and it'll be one complete remote. But let me put the batteries in first. It looks like you put a nail in and you flick it right up. Two AAA batteries, regular right here. They just go in normal, and then you slide this in and snap it, and that is it. It is attached, and then what you do is you slide your Amazon Fire remote in. But this is essentially what it looks like right here. Let me bring it in closer. So just one big piece right here, which I actually kind of like. This is real cool. So yeah, there are two power buttons. Let me show you guys right here. Actually, let me take it out and show you. So there are two power buttons right here, volume up and down, mute, the source button, volume right here, and then ABC option. So once I set it up, I'll show you how I like to set it up and what other things you can do with it. So let's slide it back in and get the setup process started. So according to the instructions, step 1, load battery, and step 2, insert the Fire TV remote, which I already did. Now, step 3 is to enter the learning mode. So what you have to press is the red power button along, I'm gonna do it inverted so you can see it, like, so I can see it, but the red power button and the mute button for 3 seconds, and the red light will come on. So as you can see, it's a solid red light right up top. And then what you literally do is link up your actual device remote. So you're supposed to line it up about an inch apart. Step 1 is you press a button on here that you want to program on this remote, and then you use the other one right here. So what I'm going to do is set the red power button, it's blinking, to the power button of my TV. The red light is on, it blinks green, and that means it is done. Now I want to set up the source button on here as well. So when I click source, it's blinking, set that up, and it's done. So that way I can at least change through my settings on my TV if I want to hook up my PlayStation and play on there. Let's see, is there anything else I need to set up with my, yeah, actually I want to set up the up and down button. So I will set the up one with the up arrow from my TV, and then the down button with the down arrow from my TV. There we go. So I think that is it from my TV that I need. Actually, one more, using the ABC. So I want to select the enter button on my remote as the enter button as an A, I think. So I'll set it up as an A. That's blinking and enter. So there we go. When I move through the source mode, I can press enter with the A button. Now going into my sound bar, I will use the blue button for the sound. So I'll tap that. Use that one. It is set up right there. Volume up and down, absolutely. So we'll click volume up, blinked, volume down. We will set mute as well. And then I have B and C. So let's see what I want to set up on this remote with B and C. I will set up for B my surround sound option. So we'll go with B so I can turn it on and off. There we go, that is done. Then once you have set up all your commands, you hold the red power button and the mute button again, and it is off. So now my remote is officially set up. So right now, this red power button, let's move it up closer. My red power button powers my TV. The blue power button powers up my sound bar, volume up and down on my sound bar, up and down arrow on my TV. The source button for my TV right there, mute of course. A is the enter button on my TV, B is the exit button, and C is the surround sound option on my soundbar. That is literally all that I need to set up on this remote, and now I actually have a full remote setup complete. So yeah, that is a very easy setup, takes about a couple of minutes once you get the hang of it, and now I am good to go to use it. So as you can see, this device is very, very easy to put together and absolutely simple to program with your multiple devices. As you saw me do, I programmed it with my Samsung TV and my actual soundbar, but you can program it with other things as well. If you have an amplifier, another soundbar, surround sound system, TV, really any other electronic device that you want to consolidate into this one right here. After using it for some time, I will say that I actually like this design a lot better than the side click. If you are familiar with the side click, it actually attaches to the side, so you get the full Amazon Fire, but it becomes fatter. And I didn't really like that so much because it isn't like a traditional remote design. As you can see with this one, it's just one big long piece. The ease of using this device is actually really amazing. It has a lot of buttons right here, separate buttons for two devices compared to the side click, which only had one power button. So you have to use one of the AB buttons as a power button for my sound bar. But with this one, I have two separate power buttons right here. As you can see, the red one is programmed for my TV power. The blue one is programmed for my sound bar. You have right here up and down, which I used for the arrows on my TV. You have the source button. You got the mute button, which is for my sound bar, volume as well. And then A and B I set to TV functions, and the C is to turn on surround sound on my sound bar. So as you can see, it's very easy to use, not too many buttons. I know a lot of people know that with actual remotes you get a million different buttons and you probably never use all of them. So this one is just very simple and easy. Great design, really easy on your fingers as well. You can literally use the whole thing in one hand. Ideally, if you're watching something on your Amazon Fire, you would just use this and then switch up to that. You wouldn't really need to use too much from it. But the range on this remote is actually really well. I can actually turn on my products from the other side of my living room. Again, I'm not really sitting that far away. I'm sitting a lot closer, so the range is very good. Uses the typical infrared, so as you know, where your normal remote would reach from, this will reach from that same area as well. The batteries, I know on devices like this last a while. For my SoundClick specifically, that's been about almost a year and I haven't had to replace the batteries. So I'm assuming with this device, it's probably gonna last even longer since it is 2 batteries. AAA batteries, so easy to get as well. And I just like the overall design of it. Very sleek, very slim, and it really holds on to the Fire really well. As you can see, it's got brackets right here, so when it slides in, it actually holds it from the top so it doesn't fall out, and it has a little felt pad right here so it doesn't slide out of the bottom either. So I really like this design as well. Again, consolidates all my remotes so I don't have to use 3 separate remotes to control my Fire TV, my actual television, and the soundbar. I can use it all right here, and just a very easy product to use. I will recommend getting the SofaBaton because of how easy it is. If you have a Roku, they also sell the R2 edition as well, which works with the Roku. And from what I know, same design, it slides right in, and the buttons up top are very, very similar as well. I think they're actually the exact same buttons up top, but the bottom is fit for the Roku TV. If you are interested in purchasing this product for the Amazon Fire or for the Roku, down in the description below is a link to the Amazon product. So if you want to go check it out, go down there, use that link, and it'll take you right to the product. You can read reviews on there from other people who have purchased and used these products, and you can purchase it for yourself as well. So time for the giveaway for this video. As you know, I got 2 additional products right here to give away to fans, to viewers, to you, whoever is watching this video. Please do not enter this giveaway unless you actually have an Amazon Fire. I would prefer this attachments to go to someone who does have the product. I apologize, unfortunately I don't have a product attachment for a Roku, so I can't really give those out, but maybe in the future they will send me some and I can do a separate video for you guys. But if you have an Amazon Fire, please pay close attention. Number 1, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Number 2, make sure you like this video, thumbs it up. And number 3, leave a comment down below about what you like about this product, what did you like of my video, and what do you think is the coolest thing about this product. I enjoy the simplicity in using it, and I would like to see what your opinion is. Now, as you know, my channel is very, very small, so entering into this contest, you have a higher chance of winning because I'm not expecting thousands of entrances. But also with that being said, I would like to have a decent amount of people enter. So the giveaway will go on for about 2 weeks to a month from the upload of this video. In the description down below, I will list the instructions on how to enter as well and the deadline for when I am closing this giveaway. If you are selected as a winner, I will message you on YouTube directly from my account. I will obviously have seen your comment, but I will ask for a screenshot proof of your subscription to my channel and a thumbs up. And then once you do so, I will get your address and information and I will ship over this product to you. And hopefully you enjoy this product as much as I did. For anyone who does not win this giveaway, I apologize, but please keep in mind that hopefully in the future I will have more products to give away as brands reach out to me and as I get different things. So please do not be discouraged if you do not win. Maybe I will get more products from SofaBaton to give away. So definitely stay tuned for that. And thank you very much for tuning into my video. Once again, I am Ramy B. I hope you enjoy this product as much as I do, and I hope you actually go out and purchase one. Once again, the instructions to the giveaway are down below in my description, as well as product links to the Amazon Fire one and the Roku one. Thank you for tuning in, and as always, I appreciate your viewership, and I am out.